Cushaw. Are they ready? Well, I've done a little reading on these Cushaws. They call them a melon or a pumpkin. Now, harvest time, late summer, early fall. But looking at this vine, it's pretty much done. And this one down here, the groundhog tore into it with the rain we just had. It molded and it broke just overnight. And I probably did this wrong, but when that groundhog came in here and was chewing on this one, I just left it so that he would chew on this and not go to those. But with that rain we had, and he had it chewed enough, this thing started to rot. That may be why these vines are dying back. But then again, this is the first time I've ever grown these. I think my time's up. I think we're gonna have to harvest these. Before we get too crazy, it says measure it from the bottom up to the top and 10 to 20 inches. And we got 25 inches on that one. And then 10 inches around is what it's saying. And that looks like 30 inches around. Take a look at this one. From the top all the way down to the bottom, I've got 27 inches there. Kind of like fitting them for a suit. Got 29 inches there. Our measurements are well over what they indicated to be ripe. And I've got the trap set for that groundhog, but I haven't been successful, and I know he's in here almost every day. And we did put soap on some of the butternuts, and that's helped quite a little bit. But every time it rains, it washes that soap off, and we come out here and he's been gnawing on this one or that one. Okay, what it said is to go ahead and leave enough that it can heal. So I've cut that loose there. We're cut loose. See if these slip knots will let me get in here. Whoa. Now that is a big squash, or pumpkin as it were. Well, let's go ahead. I'm going to cut enough to leave on there. Take that one off too. I think we're free. Oh, jeez. Well, those first leaves are dried up on this one anyhow. And the tendrils dried up. So I think we're in good shape. And if you look right here, this tendril is good and brown. It's all dried up. And this leaf, it's done. But I can see orange through here. I think we're in really good shape. There's one. And we can take the chance. We can take the chance that we're a little early, or we can take the chance that the groundhogs are going to start eating them. And I know he's been out here eating them. This way we got a couple. And you'll have to come back to see what we do with these. I think we'll make a pie or 2 or 10. Bake some. These are supposed to be sweet just like butternut squash. Sweet like pumpkins. We'll see. But that's what makes it fun. You can do this too. I'm glad you came by to help me harvest some Cushaws. Now I just need somebody to help me carry them into the house. Till next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.